Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today I've been really looking forward to creating this video for you guys. You guys know that I love Merit Beauty. I have been creating content on Merit Beauty for a while now and have loved everything that I have tried from that product line. So today I'm so thrilled to be trying out their new signature sheer lip liner. So this lip liner comes in 8 different shades, and I'll kind of put up on the screen for you guys a little video of the website so you can kind of see the shades. This has a 5-star review and a hydrating buildable lip pencil that gives soft definition and sheer all over color, so you can use it just as a lip liner and just a sheer color on top to give you that effortless look, or you can go in and use it as a lip liner and pair it with their lip slick oils. So I think I'll try that out today. And the shades are so beautiful. They have a few that kind of pair with their Flush Bombs, which is cool. Super pretty, neutral, natural looking shades. I went for the shade to back because it was a cooler neutral brown, and you guys know I love to use my taupe eyebrow pencil to start off lining my lips and then go in with another lip liner because I really like a cool neutral tone around my lips. Anything that's warmer kind of looks orangey, and I just like that definition that a cool neutral gives. So I'm hoping I could just use this as the lip liner and see how it goes. So I've got all my makeup on, and then we're just gonna try out this lip liner. Is also just gonna kind of go through a little bit of the little points on it. So it's a hydrating jojoba complex, keeps lips soft and moisturized, sheer buildable color with a natural satin finish, and a lightweight gel formula glides without tugging or crumbling. So you're going to see that this comes, I'll actually just take it out, comes in the packaging like you don't sharpen it. It will actually keep dialing, like you can turn the bottom and it'll come up. I do think that there's a sharpener at the bottom as well, so if you do want to sharpen it a little bit, again, true to their beautiful Merit products, it's in this gold container. So yeah, you can just twist the dial and it'll come up like that, which is cool. Yeah, I don't like trying to sharpen these weird, like, plasticky packaging. Anyways, so yeah, we're gonna try this out today. So if you guys would like to see how this looks on the lips, then just keep watching. Don't forget that with your first purchase from Merit Beauty, you will receive their signature bag, which is a great makeup bag, and it's super cute and just so pretty and easy to use, as well as free shipping over $50. It says on the site right now. Sometimes it's 50, sometimes it's 40. So yeah, you can get free shipping as well if you spend over $50. All right, so let's go in and try this out. I'll come a little closer. I'm just gonna hold my mirror here. Oh, and instantly you feel like it is just smoothly gliding over your lips. Like sometimes you can get that tugging feeling from a lip liner, especially as our lips are aging. You just want something really smooth over those little fine lines. So there was also some points on the website talking about how your lips will actually feel more hydrated and smoother over time with using this product. But yes, this is definitely a shade for me that I could just line my lips with. Just line them with. I don't have to add anything else to, which is so hard for me to find. I feel like I've never really found a lip liner that looks good on me without lining a cool tone underneath, and that looks so pretty. My lips are kind of like uneven. I don't have a really strong Cupid's bow, but I love the way that looks. So I'm just going in with my Merit lipstick oil. I have this in the shade Bel Air. And that is just giving me soft definition. And I love it. Oh my goodness, so pretty. Okay guys, you've got to check these lip liner out, especially since the Sephora sale is on right now. You could get it at a little bit of a deal. So it is $33 Canadian and worth every penny. I really love the way that this looks and feels on my lips, and the way you apply it, like so good. So definitely check it out. Thank you guys again for being here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys again soon.